Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The eve of the end of the Cuban eye care program did not deter Jamaicans from showing up at the St. Joseph's Hospital, hoping to get assessed by the Cuban healthcare workers. It's been this way since the government's announcement 2 weeks ago. It's also brought into sharp focus the prevalence of cataract in Jamaica. Jamila Maitland has this primetime news follow-up.
It was Shakespeare who said the eyes are the windows to the soul, but for thousands of Jamaicans with eye disease, keeping them open has been a challenge. Under the Cuban eye care program, however, thousands of Jamaicans have been given a second chance. At the Eye Care Clinic at the St. Joseph Hospital, some would-be patients with stars in their eyes, hoping to see a Cuban doctor, left with tears instead as the program winds down and comes to an end. Bandage over one eye, a confident Errol Jones is now cataract-free. He's one of 130 patients who, according to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, was already scheduled for surgery at the Eye Care Clinic.
Well, I'm glad that I got through, but there are many that doesn't, so I feel it for them.
81-year-old Novlin Ibanks is among those left disappointed. She was also diagnosed with cataract. She missed her appointment last year and has been trying to get back on the list. But government's announcement to end the program is not only causing her to lose her sight, but her hopes as well.
They say that I'm a bit late, because pertaining to what the government has said, we have to listen to news. That put me into a, what do I do?
As if making her case, she unzipped her lunch bag that she hugged like a baby for her camera. In it, a brown paper bag with the items needed to perform her surgery. Under the Jamaica-Cuba Eye Care program, the surgery is free. However, patients must buy the items needed as well as medications for post-care.
As much as we have a health card, I couldn't afford to do it privately.
Since its inception in 2010, the Health Ministry says more than 20,000 surgeries have been done and more than 40,000 persons have been screened. Dr. Tufton says on average, the Cuban doctors perform 15 cataract surgeries daily between Monday and Thursday, and on Fridays, they do 15 pterygium surgeries. 12 patients do laser treatments weekly for diabetic retinopathy.
I would like the government to do some research. If it's a lifestyle, then we could change our lifestyle or what, because I think too much Jamaicans are having this disease.
TVJ's medical correspondent Dr. Adrian Kaur says while cataract is often found in Jamaicans 60 years and older, there are young people with the disease. Genetics aside, lifestyle choices can increase the risk of developing cataract.
We talk about smoking, toxins from alcohol, for example, right? There are also things like UV radiation.
Dr. Kaur says diabetes and hypertension can also increase the risks of cataract. Prednisone, a common steroid that treats inflammatory diseases like asthma, arthritis, and lupus, can also cause cataract.
If you don't need to stay on corticosteroids for a prolonged period of time, do away with those. You want to, exercise, lifestyle modification. Make sure you're having more peas, beans, fruits, nuts, seeds, vegetables, right, in your diet.
As for Miss Ibanks, she believes her time is running out. And so she stares blindly at the facility, hoping her luck will change. Laser beam focus on getting back on that list. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.